What is up, guys? So we are here. We are about to go fly in a helicopter with my boy Justin and Ethan. Say what's up, Ethan.
Yo, what's up? It's my first time.
It's his first time. So we're going in a helicopter.
He's gonna fly the helicopter.
What's up, guys? So my mic is not on right now because we don't have that much room. So I'm here with the boys. We're about to get some dope shots. I like that. So we landed. I think I got a lot of dope shots. Shout out to him.
Don't even know where we are. I don't.
What's up, fam?
Dude, I don't know. Shout out to everyone.
$2001.
Drop some of this BOGO.
Wait, how much? This camo one's your guys's?
Yeah.
What size is it?
Yesterday. It's a large.
Oh wait, this. How much you want?
We had it. We were gonna do like radio, do a little.
These look nice.
These are nice.
I actually like these. I like this red part. I feel like these would be so comfortable to bowl in. Oh, I actually really like these. You don't like these?
These are so sick. These are like one of the best NMDs ever.
I got them.
I know. Oh my, look at how small this is.
Dude, those are so much though.
Crazy, it looks cool. Can you give this to Mickey for me? Where is it?
What's up, guys? So Dylan is about to cash out on some mags. Are you gonna cash out?
Yeet.
What's up? What's up? What's up? So we're trying to sell some stuff at round 2. We're chilling and then we're gonna eat at John and Vinny's. I got my fresh Jordan 1s on. Okay, so we just took an IG pic. Woo. This kid got that hype beast outfit today. I mean, I'm usually in that, but not today. Today I did a little bit different look. These jeans and those ones. What up? You good?
Good day, huh?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
2001s, these are clean. These are clean too, and I don't really have too many 3s. What size? Ooh, that's a good price.
What's good? Back up. How close is that? Let me see. Oh, that's not that bad. I look kind of. My eyes don't work.
Show 'em what you want.
This or this?
I mean, this is sort of cool, but it's almost like a little fanny pack.
No, it's not a flashlight.
So we come here, and it's closed.
the next season starts, and that's in August.
So yesterday I won the Keymaster, and I'm gonna try in the Mac Park Hall of Fame. That would be sick to win. I don't think anyone's won today though, so it may be difficult.
Maybe it was riding scooters.
You're not gonna win.
No?
Bro, why would you go for the weakest shoe?
Because those are
in the hall?
easiest to win.
We're gonna be reselling.
I'll fall to the sky, but I don't even know where we are. I don't know where I'm going.